I really do sympathize. We've got a big problem here, and I think we all agree that our immigration system is broken. We've done a lot of case work in our office, especially when we still had Brownsville as part of the district that I represent. And my heart is just broken by some of the family issues that I see. And also my heart is broken by the fact that many people who are in this country without proper documentation are basically an underclass that aren't afforded the full protection of the law. You see, if you're here illegally and you see a crime on the street, you're afraid to call the police for fear of you getting involved in it. And you're open to exploitation by unscrupulous employers, and it's a real problem, and I think it needs to be addressed. I've spoken with a lot of my Republican colleagues, some of my Democrat colleagues, and a lot of folks back home about the issue. And it seems like the stumbling block for almost everybody is the pathway to citizenship that you've been talking about for such a long time. We look at the promises of the 1986 immigration reform when we granted citizenship to so many people that we were going to seal the border and make sure this was a one-time deal is the way. And we see that has failed. My fear is that what we're saying by a pathway to citizenship is that, all right, you come over here illegally. Let's say we seal the borders 100%. Nobody can cross the border illegally. You're still going to have people overstaying their tourist visas. You still have people overstaying their student visas. And the natural belief is, all right, they've done it twice. I just wait them out, and they do it again. And we create this underclass of people who can't have a real job, that are selling bootleg DVDs in the flea markets or working whatever underground economy they use. How do we craft this so we don't fall into the same trap?